Hello friends, today I am making this pattern. This is puff pattern. See this puff here. Very beautiful pattern. Today I am making this. For this pattern I am taking this 3 number hook. Let's start. Now we are making chain. This is the chain. Chain is basic of crochet. If you are making baby's blanket, take the measurement of width and make the chain. This is the chain. Now I am making 3 more chains and taking yarn on and pricking here in the 4th chain and making the double crochet. This is the double crochet. Now going to next chain, pricking here and making double crochet. Like this. This is the double crochet. This row is full double crochet, making the double crochet full row. Now this row is finished, double crochet. Now going to next row, making here 2 chain and turning this side, here making skipping this chain and going to next chain, taking yarn on and making here small double crochet. And now we are making 3 chain. Now making here 3 chain and here skipping here 1 2 chain and going to third one, making a single crochet like this and once again 3 chain. Now making 2 times yarn on the hook and here skipping 2 chain, going to third one, making here triple crochet. 2 times yarn on the hook means triple crochet. Now making 2 chain and 2 times yarn on in the same hole, we are making triple crochet like this. Now making 3 chain and skipping here 2 chain, going to third one and making here single crochet like this. Once again 3 chain and here's 1 2, going to third one 2 times yarn on here and skipping here 1 2 third one, going to third one and making here triple crochet and 2 chain and once again 2 times yarn on. In the same hole we are making triple crochet like this. Now making 3 chain here, skipping 2 chain, going to third one, here making single crochet like this. Like this, making here also making like this. Now starting this row is making 3 chain and here making this is the V here, first side of the V here we are making puff. 2 times, this is 3 times we are making puff here and making all together one and making it lock. Now on the back side of the puff we took the V here, one side of the V, on the V upside we are making double crochets. 1 2 and here 2 chain. Next in same hole making another 2 double crochets like this. Now yarn on another side of the V, we are going to make here puff. 1 time, 2 time, this is the third time. We are all together making one and making it lock. Now see the pattern starting now like this. Now making yarn on, coming to this V, next V, here making puff. 2 times and 3 times. One puff is finished like this. The back side of this we are making 4 double crochet. 1, this is 2 and 2 chain. Once again yarn on, 2 more double crochets in the same hole. Like this. Now here other side of the V we are making this puff. This is 1 time, this is 2 time, this is third time, making one and locking it like this. Now here yarn on, going to next V, first side of the V, we are making puff. 1 time, 2 time, this is third time, making all together one and locking it. Now making here back side 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 2 chain and yarn on. In the same hole 2 more double crochets like this. Now here another side of the V we are making puff. One time, this is second time, this is third time. I am making here all together one and locking it. Now here making 1 double crochet and finishing this row. Going to next row, making here single chain and turning this side and making here starting the other side of the pattern. Now here this is the only border, this is not required. 2 3 chain and here we are making single crochet. Now making 3 chain and yarn on. Here see between 2 double crochets, here one big hole is there. Here we making triple crochet, 2 times yarn on like this, showing 2 times yarn on, and here we making triple crochet like this. Now 2 chain and 2 times yarn on, and here once again we are making triple crochet in the same hole. Now making 3 chain in this hole, we are making single crochet, 3 chain, 2 times yarn on, in this hole making triple crochet, here 2 chain and 2 times yarn on, in the same hole we are making triple crochet and 3 times 3 chain, and here making single crochet and 3 chain. Here we are making, finishing this is extra, so I am finishing in the double crochets. This is the pattern back side. Now starting this pattern here, from here we are starting, and this is the extra, forget it. This is the pattern. Now making the pattern once again, yarn on, here the V, coming to the V and making puff. This pattern is repeating here, second time, 2 times, this is third one, and making puff here, and here we are making 4 double crochets and 2 chain, another 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Other side of the V we are making hair puff. Two times, and this is the third one, making hair puff. And now coming to this V, yarn on and making hair puff. One time, this is two times, this is third one, making them one and locking it, and coming to here, making 2 double crochet and 2 chain and 2 double crochet, altogether 4 double crochet. Now making here another side of the V puff, one time, two time, this is the third one, making all together and locking it like this. Now making 3 chain and finishing the row. Like this. This pattern is moving on. See the pattern? Like this, like this, like this. This pattern is moving. See in this? This pattern is like this. Like 4 arrow is coming in one point. So make this baby blanket in this pattern. Very beautiful pattern and very easy also. You can make it. So if you like this pattern, tell me in the comments. And if you like the video, give the thumbs up to my video and share it, and please subscribe my channel and support my channel, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get a very first notification. I am making more videos for you. Thank you for watching.